Welcome to Mrs. Bays' 6th grade math video lesson. Division of whole numbers, number 1. We're going to focus on one-digit divisors. Please do not use a calculator, but you may use your multiplication chart. Let's begin by looking at our vocabulary. We have 3 vocabulary words that we need to know: dividend, divisor, and quotient. And I'll show you those in just a moment. Let's look at the symbols we use with division. We have the traditional symbol, but I like to nickname it crazy eyes. And the second symbol we use for long division. And the third is the slash. That symbol we use on the computer when these other 2 symbols are not available to us. Let's look at the first example. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. The first number is your dividend. The second number is your divisor. And the answer to division is your quotient. Now let's look at the next example. This time we're using the long division symbol, but notice the first number using the traditional symbol is the dividend. We put that number inside the box, so that means that the number inside the box is your dividend. And the second number in this problem is your divisor. That number goes outside the box when you're using the long division symbol. That is your divisor. The answer is written on top of the box, and that is your quotient. Now let's look at an example using the standard algorithm, commonly referred to as long division. The problem I have written is 210 divided by 5 equals, and we're going to find that answer. The first number is the dividend. It goes inside the box. The second is the divisor, and it goes outside of the box. Now let's begin. We ask ourselves some questions. For example, how many 5s can we get out of a 2? Well, we can't, so we put a 0 above the 2. 0 times 5 is 0. And now we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then we bring that next number down into place. And now we have 21. Again, we ask ourselves, well, how many 5s can we get out of 21? Well, I recommend that we go to the side of our paper and we make a few notes just to help us out. Let's start with 5 times 4. Well, 5 times 4 is 20. Well, that's about as close to 21 as we're going to be able to get. So how many 5s go into 21? 4. And 4 times 5 is 20. Now let's subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. You could put the 0 there if you want, but you do not have to. So now we go to the next number, or the last digit in our dividend, and we're going to bring that straight down into place. And now we have 10. So again, we ask ourselves the question, how many 5s are there in 10? Well, just to be sure, let's go to the right and make a note. 5 times 2 is 10. So how many 5s can we get out of 10? 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. This 0 tells us two things. It tells us that we are finished with the problem and we do not have a remainder. So now let's write the answer to 210 divided by 5. That's 42. Now let's look at another method to solve division of whole numbers. This is called the box method or box division. Notice we have 210 divided by 5. We're going to find the answer using this method. We have 3 columns in this box, 1 for each of the digits in the dividend. So the 2 goes in the upper right corner of the first column. The 1 goes in the upper right column of the upper right corner of the second column. And the 0 goes in the last column in the upper right as well. The 5 is the divisor and it goes out front. Let's begin. How many 5s can we get out of a 2? Well, we can't. So that means we put a 0 here and multiply. 0 times 5 is 0. Now we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. I carry that 2 to the middle column and put that in front of the 1. So now I have 21. I need to know, well, how many 5s are in 21? Well, I'm going to go below my box and I'm going to make a couple notes. 5 times 4 is 20. Well, 20 is about as close to 21 as we're going to be able to get. So how many 5s are in 21? 4. Now multiply. 4 times 5 is 20. Now we subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. We could put the 0 here, but we do not have to. Now let's carry that 1 to the third column and put that in front of the 0. And now we have 10. So we ask ourselves this question again. How many 5s are in 10? Well, I'm going to go down here just to be sure. Well, 5 times 2 is 10. So how many 5s are in 10? 2. Now multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. Let's subtract. 10 minus 10 is 0. Now this 0 tells us two things. It tells us we are finished with the problem and we do not have a remainder. So now let's look at the answer to 210 divided by 5 is 42. Now let's look at the problems I would like for you to practice. This is division of whole numbers number 1, focusing our attention on one-digit divisors. Please rewrite this problem or these problems, and you have 2 methods to pick from. Please do not use a calculator. You may use your personal whiteboard or paper and pencil, and you can use your multiplication chart. Please follow the link to Edulastic. When you input your answers into Edulastic and submit, it will tell you if your answers are right or wrong, and it will give you the correct answers. Thank you.